Today we're making baked potatoes. First thing you do is scrub your baked potatoes with a brush. Or, not your baked potatoes, your potatoes. And then with a kitchen towel, just dry them. Place the potatoes on a aluminum foil lined baking sheet and poke with a fork. Drizzle both potatoes with a little bit of olive oil. Generously season with salt and some rosemary leaves. Place these in a 400-degree oven and roast for an hour. We'll let those cool a little bit. Growing up, we always had baked potatoes or twice baked potatoes, and my grandma Doy, who is my dad's mother, would come over every Sunday and make them. And whenever dinner was finished, my dad and her actually would always sneeze back and forth if they had a big meal. So it was kind of watching almost like a tennis match.
You don't do that.
No, I just hiccup when after a big meal. Slice them down the length. And then you push in from the ends and it'll open up. And 2 or 3 pads of butter. I like lots of butter, so I'm going to do 3. A huge dollop of sour cream. I actually nicked these chives from my mom's herb garden. A little bit of salt and some pepper. The inside's nice and soft. All right, let's try it. I think it's mostly sour cream. Those are perfect.